4. Are we overpolluted and overpopulated? A few years ago, I wrote a book entitled The Myth of Overpopulation. It was a delight, therefore, to find a more thorough study of the subject, Dr. Julian L. Simon's The Ultimate Resource. Dr. Simon documents the fact that we are not running out of farmland or food. Because of increased production, much farmland is returning to forests, wildlife areas, and recreational use. The world's food production is growing faster than the population. We are not running out of any natural resources, and, in fact, our known reserves are increasing dramatically. Instead of a diminishing energy supply, we have more and cheaper energy ahead of us in the future. Pollution has been decreasing steadily for some years, and population growth is not the reason for pollution. Population density does not create biological nor psychological problems. The standard of living improves wherever population increases. Immigration is beneficial, and illegal aliens actually pay in more by taxes than they ever receive as welfare, and so on and on. Dr. Simon not only documents his case, but offers to wager $10,000 that raw materials will not be scarcer in the future than they are now. Dr. Simon states that he once believed the myths of overpopulation, dwindling natural resources, and so on. However, when he investigated the subject thoroughly, he found the reverse to be true. The cry of overpopulation and pollution is not new. It goes back at least to Plato. Plato's answer to this idea was a controlled and planned society. Today, those who propagate the myth have a like solution: their planning and controls. The myth has built into it the convenient answer of status control to solve the supposed problem. The result is the death of freedom.